Hi, good day all. This is Asa from Ministering Kits, and thank you very much for joining me today. For today's episode, we're going to be making this journal. It's really quick, really easy, so stay with me and let's get started. And now we're going to place our sheet here. This is printed on a landscape photo paper. So we're going to fold it in half. Make sure it's precise and just fold it over. You can use your bone folder for this. Then use a sharp metal ruler. Place it exactly on the crease. And use a cutting tool. And this way we have 2 sheets of paper. Do this for all of the pages. And now we're going to measure our paper. The length of the paper is 21.5 centimeters and the width is 14 centimeters. And now we have 2 pieces of chipboard measuring 21.9 centimeters by length and 14.4 centimeters by width. Just a tad bit bigger than our pages. And this is our journal cover. This is our front page of our journal cover. And this is the back of our journal cover. And this has been printed on sticker paper. Now we're going to use our first piece of cardstock. Place our adhesive sticky paper on the cardstock. Flip it over. And when we have finished folding over, flip the cover and smoothen it out flat, clean, crisp and tight with the bone folder. Flip over again and smoothen all the edges. And there you have it, a professional looking journal cover. And now we repeat the procedure for the back of the cover, ensuring we fold it as is. And these are our 2 finished pieces. The inside of the covers, flip over the cover, and I've used the other side of our sticker paper, which you can print on, and I'm going to cut it and stick it on the inside of our cover to cover the chipboard. Now we just place a small amount of glue around the edge of the journal, some on the chipboard, and place our paper evenly around the edge. And once we're happy with it, we stick it down. And now for the back of the cover, I'm just going to use this design. Place the glue, generous amount. Stick it down. Ensure the placement is right, just like how you want it. Press it down with your bone folder. And anyone who's interested in this design, check out my coffee shop. Now we're just going to use the cinch to punch our pages. And now we're just going to punch our journal cover. And the binding wire is placed this way inside so that when you crimp it with the cinch, this part goes on the inside. Flip the cover, it rotates 360 degrees. Flip the cover to the back. There you have it. This is our completed journal. Really quick and really easy. Thank you for joining me.